morning, friends. This is Bharat Gyanani from the Fundamental Research. I'll speak about the Q4 FY13 auto sector earnings review. Now, if we see the Sharekhan coverage universe, auto universe reported a revenue growth of 3.8%. The EBITDA margin grew marginally by 80 basis points on a YOY basis for the quarter. As far as the profitability is concerned, we see a profit growth of 18% for our coverage universe. However, the performance was very selective as most of the companies have reported revenue decline on a YOY basis. The earnings were boosted by companies of Maruti and M&M. If we remove the results of Maruti Suzuki, the auto sector revenue growth drops to just 2.1%, while the profitability shows an decline of 4% if we exclude the Maruti's results. So the companies, the results, the overall results have been boosted by a few companies. Maruti, as we see, has reported a strong Q4 numbers on the back of reduced discounts, as well as the yen depreciation, which has led to the margin improvement for Maruti. As far as the auto tracking universe is concerned, which includes the non-coverage companies as well, we have seen a revenue growth of 6.6% on a YY basis, but the profitability has declined by 5%. Again, if we remove Maruti from this, the revenue growth has been just 6.5%, while the profit has declined by 11.4% during the quarter under review. Most of the companies have been impacted by a volume slowdown in the automotive space, which has impacted the revenue growth. Also, the operating deleverage has caused the margin to deteriorate, and further we see a PAT decline for most of the companies, primarily affected by lower revenues and higher costs due to the operating deleverage, which has affected their numbers. Now, what we have done in this quarter is we have added Maruti to our buy list. On account of better performance in Q4 and a continued depreciation of the yen, which will further boost the margins for Maruti going forward. So also the merger of the Suzuki Powertrain India with Maruti will help it to realize synergistic benefits in the form of better sourcing, increased localization, and overall cost synergies for Maruti. As far as the outlook is concerned, we expect the volumes to continue to remain under pressure in the near term. We expect H1 FY14 to remain weak on the back of continued weak macroeconomic environment, and also the higher fuel prices. The recent hike in the diesel prices has led to subduedness in the diesel volumes, which has impacted the overall automotive sales. We expect increased competition also in the automotive space, particularly in the passenger vehicle and the two-wheeler category, which will further put pressure on the volume of the automotive players. The material prices are, however, expected to remain benign going forward, which would help the companies to offset the margins which would be caused by a deterioration due to the volume decline. As far as the automotive sector is concerned, Maruti and M&M remain our preferred picks for the automotive space. Thank you.